My name is Ryan James. I'm the Export Director for Eyespace. Eyespace is an independently owned, market-leading, multi-award-winning eyewear design studio and supplier. We work across a number of key eyewear categories, but the kind of three major ones for us is brand licensing. We also have a stable of independent brands, and then one of the newest categories that we've added within our portfolio within the last 3 years has been the sustainability focus, called the Eco-Conscious Collection. And since the launch of that brand in the last couple of years, we've now started to filter that technology into our other house independent brands and licensed brands. So yeah, I'm really proud to say that we are one of the real leaders for change within the kind of optical industry for a more sustainable future. Our managing director is our chief sustainability officer, and going back 3 or 4 years, it was something that she wanted to really introduce and revolutionise, not just within our business, but across the optical industry and community. So she heads up a number of optical associations on helping to not just educate other suppliers, but also the opticians, the consumers, the practice managers. And I think for us, it's talking about educating people on sustainability. It's great for people to come onto our stand and see really how far sustainability has now come. We have bio-based, we have G850, we use recycled metals. We work with an incredible Italian supplier to use some really premium sustainability materials as well. So it's just showcasing to our customers the real variation now within sustainability, and it doesn't just have to be within one collection. You can now access it across all of our brands. Within sustainability, people are not only wanting to see what are the frames made of and how do they meet those key credentials. Customers are much more educated, as are the consumers. They not want to see about the frames, but they want to know about the packaging and the supply chain. And something that we've worked tirelessly on is going really back to the start of the supply chain and just ensuring that those kind of key green credentials are met throughout. So I think there's a real focus at this show of people not just wanting to see sustainable product, but really understand the metrics behind it and how companies like Eyespace can bring it into market in a really kind of considered and kind of honest way. It's not just about representing sustainable eyewear within a category, it's trying to embrace it and put it across the brands. And something we're really proud of is that by the end of 2022, all of the Eyespace collections, the licensed brands, the independent brands, will have a focus and an element of sustainability. And the benefit of that to customers is that we're making this type of technology more accessible. Within the next couple of years, we're looking to shift the entire business and all of the brands to be championing that technology. Sustainable eyewear is not a category of eyewear, it is the future of our industry. And the manufacturers and the supply chains have really caught up in the last 12 months. And the product can go head to head with some of the big brands or some of the product that's been on display for many years. And I think it's just important to say to customers that it's accessible, it's here, we can cover all the different entry points and also all the key demographics. And I think it's just important we keep refining that education to the customer to say, look, this is here to stay. Something I think we're really proud of as an industry. I think we are one of the industries within the world of fashion and accessories that's leading the way, and it's just really important opticians embrace it, as it's just, it's not just important to our industry, but it has such a big impact on the planet itself.